Hey, Dirk here! Today is a special day because today I'm gonna bring my car to a garage for the first time. You know that we drive a 1974 Range Rover, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why it's parked over there on the top of the hill, on the other hill, guys. Let's get the car. Up with the Range Rover. Look, I put some big fat tires on there, and it's gonna be wheel space is gonna be on there, and new fenders. That's gonna be later. Tires too big. That's why it's on the roof. So now I'm gonna show you exactly how we start the car when your battery is dead or finished. The battery is good, but the alternator that charges the battery, that is something wrong, or with the wiring, something with that. So we're gonna fix that. No, I'm not gonna, but Toto's gonna fix that. So here we go, guys. But before we go, I have to do one more thing, and that is taking off my flip-flops. Oh, only the right one. I'm putting the left one I put here in the side, and I only have the right one. Why? Because my flip-flop, my shoe always gets stuck between the clutch and the bottom of the car, and then I can't have that right now. So what are we going to do? I'm gonna push the car off the hill, and we're just gonna hope it's gonna be starting, because if not, we're downhill and we are trapped.
This is the beast. Yeah, come on, baby, you can do it. Woo!
We did it, guys. We are up, and now I'm driving backwards, you see, and I'm gonna pick up Muriel, and we're gonna hop on to the garage. Toto, here we come. Hey guys, so this is how you start a car, how you start a Range Rover or any car when the batteries are dead. Just make sure you park the car up a hill and just push it down, put it in second gear, and off you go. The Range Rover is there. We managed to get here all the way to Pototo, and it's always such a funny thing here. And it happens more places in Costa Rica. You go to a local garage, a local shop and stuff, and you stop there, and our Spanish is not that great, right? So that you end up is like, okay, what's gonna happen next? So especially Pototo is like, hey, and then he walks off, and then like, okay. So I know it will be okay. And but the good thing is I found out that the alternator is actually charging, and the battery is actually great, but there is a wiring that is like 45 years old and definitely needs some replacement. So fingers crossed, guys. Talk soon. So anyway, guys, see you in the next video. If you like us, Dirk and Muriel's here sitting next to me. Then subscribe to our channel, guys, and keep you updated of our adventures here in Costa Rica. Por aquí.